Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change headlight on Buick Enclave. Open the hood, unplug the battery, remove the headlight housing fasteners, swap the bulb with a matching replacement, and test the beam alignment before closing the hood. Wear gloves, avoid touching the glass, keep screws safe, and work on level ground for safety and easier alignment. If a socket or clip seems stuck, apply penetrating lubricant and gentle pressure while protecting plastic tabs. Start by disconnecting the negative battery terminal to prevent any electrical issues. Remove any trim pieces or intake parts that obstruct the headlight housing so you have clear access. Unfasten the housing bolts and gently pull the assembly forward to expose the bulb and connector. Keep track of all bolts and clips in a container so nothing gets lost. Work patiently and avoid forcing components to protect plastic tabs and alignment pins. If this walkthrough is helping, please subscribe and like so I can keep making helpful car videos. Quick recommendation. A book called The Simple Path to Wealth offers calm, practical money advice and pairs oddly well with saving for car maintenance. It made me laugh and rethink budget priorities, so I wanted to pass it on. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. When replacing the bulb, hold it by the base and avoid touching the glass to prevent hot spots and premature failure. Compare the old bulb with the new one to confirm type, orientation, and fit before installation. Reconnect the wiring connector, seat the bulb fully, and test the headlight operation and beam pattern before reassembling the housing. Reinstall all fasteners snugly and double-check alignment after the vehicle is back on level ground.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.